Alright, on to the first one of the day, a Honda Accord. Hit right here in the dog leg. It's getting a new door, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. I'm probably going to have to end up welding a tab on this to bring that out. I got this roughly pulled out. I'm going to go ahead and put the rear door on it and see how it lines up. I think I'm going to have to end up putting a bigger tab on there because I think it's still rolled in this area, but I'll find out when I put the door on it. Alright, this is about what I expected. It's still in quite a bit in this whole area, so I'm going to cut that little tab off and put a bigger one on there so I can cover more area and pull that out. Alright, I got the bigger tab on there now, so I'm going to go ahead and make a pull on this. So it looks like this is not wanting to come out like I want it to. I think I'm going to have to put 2 more tabs on here. I think I'm going to need one up here and down here in order to get that whole area to walk out the way I want it to. This car is wanting to slide on me when I'm pulling on it, so I'm going to put a quick clamp under here just to kind of lock it in place. Well, I got the door jamb about out where it needs to be, but I need to bring this other lip because now it's kind of tilted in. So I'm going to use this guy and make a pull on that to bring that out a little bit. Alright, I got all the metal work done on this one. My door gap looks good. This one is about ready for fill, so I'm going to give it to Eric and let him finish it up. And I'm going to dive into the next one.